Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm super psyched because I bought a new product here. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what it is. So in the past I've been traveling a lot outside of my base, and I use my MacBook Pro to retouch and do some projects on, after shooting. I realized the real estate of the space of a 15-inch MacBook Pro is very scarce. So it will make sense to bring along a monitor to put on the side to get extra space, but it's probably not feasible to bring a monitor with you. So I was thinking of buying a portable monitor, which is like very small and portable, most importantly. And so I just ordered a Asus, sorry, let me look this up. Asus MB169C Plus monitor, like a portable monitor. Ordered yesterday and it came within less than 24 hours. So it's actually national holidays and it's still delivered on like less than 24 hours in Shanghai, so that's great. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Let me just push this aside. Alright, I'm really excited. I mean, this is one of these products that's like life-saving when I'm on the road doing projects, and I need to work on some projects. It's really helpful to have like an extra screen, so our work gets more efficient. Okay, let's see. So it's double wrap in it. Oh, that's pretty big. So this is, I believe is a 15-inch screen, portable, and this is the I think it's the cover, but it serves as a stand. It's bigger than I thought, actually. Okay. Shoot. Let me open. Oh, there we go. Well, it looks great already. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. This is super slim. Look at this. Whoa. Okay, it's just a screen, extra screen. So I'm gonna peel this off. This label MB169C Plus sounds like a programming language, but I don't know what that stands for. Anyways, and it's very simple. It has a USB-C cable to USB-C. It just plug and play basically. Bunch of instruction manuals. That's pretty much it, and I'm going to show you guys how to plug this in, and yeah, how does it work? I'm just curious. Oh my god, I have no idea how to assemble this. It's Velcro, maybe like this, I guess. Yeah, something like this. Okay, I guess you can angle this. Okay, let's bring it on to a test. So this is the screen, super slim. Let me put this on the this Velcro holder, and just open my MacBook. And here's the cable. It's a USB-C to put this here. Now let me lock in first. Just plug it, turns it on, so instantly we have a screen here. Okay, how does it work? Okay, boom. So let me go to display and do an arrangement. So the second screen is on the right side. Okay. Okay, yeah, it works. Let me turn up the brightness. It looks like. Okay, here we go. So there's different lighting modes here. I don't know which one is what. I think when I turned it on, it was like the dimmest, and now yeah, looks good. It's not the brightest, but I'm sure I can somehow adjust this. Well, anyways, I have yet to find out how it works. But here we go. This is pretty slim. The screen next to it. So this is done, so I can drag things over. Let me open a browser. Snooze. So like this. So yeah, here we go. Extra screen here. The Asus, super slim. I'm sure you can do it like vertical and stuff, but I need to like mess around with the settings and stuff to make it happen. So anyways, it's pretty cool. Let me detach it and then see if I put it back in the Velcro that case. Oops, how do I do this? Well, basically I probably have to just unplug it here. Okay, let me see. Oh, I think it works like this. Just like this. So it's pretty cool, very portable. This is my second monitor, so it's pretty helpful when you're on the road and you want to do some work and then you need some extra real estate here, and that's it. So super cool.